There's a Topeka Elementary School that is getting ahead of those storms, though, in case there is a tornado.
Teachers and students, it is time to practice our tornado drill.
Today at McCarter Elementary, students and staff practice their tornado safety plans. The drill falls on the day of the statewide tornado drill. Kids and staff headed to the storm shelter in the gym in record time.
Today we made it in there in 2 minutes and 30 seconds, which was, I feel, a pretty good record. We had 385 students and about 70 staff members. So to get everybody in one location that's safe and secure that quickly was a very successful drill for us.
And the school has had this new storm shelter for about 3 years. The gym is cemented with running water and a generator in case the power does go out.